Have you ever stopped to ponder how the internet has revolutionized the world of business? It's an interesting thought to mull over, isn't it? The impact is so profound that it's difficult to imagine a world without it. The evolution of business has been nothing short of remarkable, and much of it can be credited to the internet. Let's rewind a bit to the time when brick-and-mortar stores were the norm. You had to physically visit a store to purchase what you needed. Businesses had limited reach, confined primarily to their geographical locations. Then the internet happened. Suddenly, the world became a global village, and businesses had the potential to reach customers halfway across the globe. One of the most significant shifts brought about by the internet was the advent of e-commerce. Shopping became a matter of few clicks, and businesses could operate without the constraints of physical space. The convenience and accessibility offered by online shopping have only fueled its growth, making e-commerce a vital part of today's economy. Then came the era of social media, which transformed the way businesses interacted with their customers. Social media marketing became a powerful tool, enabling businesses to engage with their audience on a more personal level. It provided a platform for businesses to build their brand, communicate their values, and foster customer loyalty. The rise of big tech companies is another testament to the internet's impact. These tech giants have not only disrupted traditional business models, but have also become integral parts of our daily lives. From online searches to cloud storage, from social networking to e-commerce, their influence is far-reaching. But perhaps one of the most profound impacts of the internet is how it has democratized business. Today, anyone with a good idea and an internet connection can start a business. It has leveled the playing field, providing opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship to individuals who might not have had them otherwise. The internet has irrevocably altered the business landscape, ushering in a new era of entrepreneurship and innovation. It's a fascinating journey, and we're only just getting started. But the internet's impact on business hasn't always been rosy. Remember the economic crash of 2008? The financial tremors of that year resonated across the globe, and internet businesses weren't spared. Startups and small businesses, particularly those reliant on venture capital, found themselves in a precarious position. The tightening of investment purses and the drying up of funding sources meant that many had to close their doors, but it wasn't all doom and gloom. The economic downturn also created a fertile ground for creativity and resilience. Some businesses managed to weather the storm and not just survive but thrive. They adapted, innovated, and found ways to navigate the choppy waters of the recession. Companies that were flexible and could pivot quickly were the ones that came out stronger. They became a testament to the resilience and potential of internet businesses, underlining the importance of adaptability in the face of adversity. The crash of 2008 served as a harsh reminder of the volatility of the business world, even in the digital age. Also, how can entrepreneurs and businesses protect themselves against such devastating crashes? You may wonder. Well, there are a few strategies to consider. Firstly, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading investments across various sectors and markets, you can mitigate potential losses. Secondly, building a robust business model is paramount. A strong business model that can weather financial storms will be your fortress against economic downturns. This involves keeping overhead costs low, having a clear value proposition, and maintaining a healthy cash flow. Staying nimble and adaptable is another significant strategy. The ability to pivot quickly in response to market changes can be the difference between sinking and swimming. And finally, always keep an eye on market trends. Understanding the ebb and flow of the economy can help you anticipate potential crashes and adjust your strategies accordingly. With the right strategies, businesses can not only survive but thrive no matter what the economy throws at them. But when can we expect the next big crash? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The truth is, economic crashes are notoriously unpredictable. They're like storms brewing over the horizon, their arrival often signaled by a complex interplay of factors: Political instability, for instance, can shake the very foundations of the global economy. A sudden change in government policy, a controversial election result, or escalating international tensions can all be precursors to a crash. Similarly, global events like pandemics, wars, or natural disasters can have a profound impact on economic stability. Then there are economic indicators like inflation rates, unemployment figures, and stock market trends. These can sometimes hint at a potential crash, but they're no crystal ball. So while we can't predict when the next crash will hit with absolute certainty, we can equip ourselves with knowledge and tools to face it. We can prepare ourselves and our businesses to weather any storm. After all, the internet has given us the tools to be more resilient than ever before.